Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play a little bit and I will do a reverse colander pour. This is just a colander, a little one, but I will pour over this. I like to pour over the objects to see what will happen, and it's kind of surprise what you see underneath. That's why I love to do that. And for the colors I will use white, titanium white, phthalo blue, metallic turquoise, metallic gold. No, this is indigo. This is phthalo blue and permanent violet, and I have some scrape offs for the flow extender if needed. And I will pour paints into this cup. I'll just remove this. I will start with some white on the bottom, some indigo. Up. Okay, so my cup is done. I will place my colander on the canvas and just start pouring over this. And I can already hear the drips. Now I will just wait for a second for paint to drip. I will just leave that. some really cool designs. This edge is kind of, this is inside and this is outside. I don't know how this will work out when I will spin out. We will see. So the outside part, I spin it off, most of it, so it's cool. And don't worry, I will scrape this paint again and put it back into the cup, where it will wait for my another project. I really like those parts around, but not completely sure about the middle, so I'm thinking if no, it's a flower in the middle, so I will just wait and leave it like it is. So here, you see, this will be just paint for another project, so don't waste the paint. We just reuse it. So here is the wet result. Maybe I should use some more contrasting colors for this, but I really like the middle flower and those kind of ripples around. They are cool. See? Yeah, I'm happy with it. So hopefully it will be dry, that I can show you the dried results too. I wonder if, I don't know, do you have any ideas? What do you think, which colors I should use next? I lost all the gold. Try to use next to maybe be a little more, I don't know, contrasting, but I like it. So here she is dry. I really like this painting because the flower is kind of not, I don't know, it's kind of melting in and the middle. Still the colors were not the best ones, I think, for use. Here I don't know, just I should have done different color palette, but I like the pattern a lot, so yeah, probably, you know, I will try this again. Please tell me in the comments which colors you think that I should use for this technique to make this pattern even more beautiful than it is, and I like it already. So yeah, definitely want to hear your thoughts. And thanks for being here. Have a nice Monday. See you again on Wednesday. Bye.